Sairam students. So in the previous class we discussed about Baleshwar Mishra, Roma Talriza and the entry of whom? The truck driver. Correct? I think you have gone through the lesson. Now with the help of the truck driver, Baleshwar was taking Roma to the nearby hospital. On the way, Baleshwar asked Roma. So when did he ask? When she opened her eyes, he asked her what was her name. Then she said Roma. Immediately he asked, whom can I call? So he should call someone. Whom can I call? He asked. Then she said, my brother Dinesh. So Dinesh was her brother. He called her. He called him, taking the mobile of whom? The truck driver. There is an extract say, Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? Who is the Chacha then? Truck driver. Why did he need his mobile? To call Dinesh Talriza. Who was Dinesh Talriza? He was the brother of Roma Talriza. Correct? Then he gave the information. Now come to the next paragraph, that is paragraph number 15, page number 28. I think you have opened the textbook. You have the textbook. Roma arrived at the Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center minutes later. So in the beginning, when she was taken to the nearby hospital, there was a scarcity of personnel and equipment. So the on-duty physician asked Baleshwar to take Roma to the next hospital. Correct? He could do only what? First aid. Nothing other than that. So Roma arrived with the help of a truck driver. Truck driver brought them at Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center, a big hospital. Minutes later, there, Dr. Anil Agarwal, the medical director there, seeing the extent of Roma's injuries. So he observed the extent. Extent means size. Extent means severity. Extent means degree, another meaning. Or area. ತೀವ್ರತೆ, ಆ ಗಾಯದ ತೀವ್ರತೆ ಸೈಜನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ, ಆಳವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ? Dr. Anil Agarwal, remember who? Dr. Anil, who was Dr. Anil Agarwal? He is a medical director. Where? Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital. What did he do? Seeing the extent of Roma's injury, she had a deep cut behind her head. Admitted her. When? Immediately to the ICU, intensive care unit, without any paperwork. So he did not allow them to sign the paper sheet, paperwork. Why? Because seeing the condition of the girl, Roma, he immediately admitted her to the hospital. Then he asked, so where is she now? She is in the hospital, ICU. He asked Baleshwar, who asked? He means the medical director, Anil Agarwal, to hang around until Roma's family arrived. So he needed a responsible person. Till now, Baleshwar took the responsibility. He is a stranger. So, but he should wait for the arrival of Roma's relatives. So he asked Baleshwar to hang around, means is given there, wait. He asked Baleshwar to wait until, till, how long? Adverb, how long? Until. Roma's family arrived. That is when they noticed that the driver, they means Baleshwar and whom? The doctor. Noticed that the driver, having done all he could do, he helped a lot. No other personality came to their rescue, help. But truck driver came, so doing everything he could do for the sake of that lady girl, had slipped away. Slip away means move quietly without informing Baleshwar. He had the satisfaction that he had done everything for the sake of that girl, and what did he do? Had slipped away with his truck without informing whom? Baleshwar. When Baleshwar came out of ICU or the hospital, he said, "Oh, I couldn't thank him." Students, remember the important extract. "Oh, I couldn't thank him." Which lesson is the extract taken from? One question. Who is the I? Second question. Who said this? The third question. Who is the him? The fourth question. And why should he thank him? Why should he thank him? Because he helped. So Baleshwar thought, remember, very important for extract. So he could not thank. So he had sorry for it. 17th paragraph, see. Roma was still unconscious. Unconscious, consciousness noun, conscious adjective, consciously adverb, conscious adjective, unconscious adjective, still, now also, still is adverb. So was still unconscious. Iglu saha avಳು ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಳಿಗೆ. But her x-rays, they took the x-ray. X-rays showed that although the injuries looked severe, the injuries were very severe, all she needed were deep wound sutures. Suture means what? A stitch that is used to sew a wound together. So she needed a simple what? Suture. Nothing more than, but the wound was very severe. Wound looked very severe, but there is no serious injury. There would be no lasting damage. Damage is noun. Lasting means lasting parts of speech, adjective. Lasting means long lasting. You might have heard the word. Lasting means permanent. No lasting damage. But Dr. Anil Agarwal believes she could have bled to death. Bleed present, bled past participle. She could have bled to death if nobody had helped her. If nobody had helped her, she would have bled to death. See the conditional clause. If clause is there, if nobody had helped her, if clause, she would have bled to death. So it is a compulsory question, remember. If nobody had helped her, past perfect, so would have bled to death. She would have died. So it was a danger. So Baleshwar helped her. She would have bled to death. When she finally opened her eyes that night, anyhow she opened her eyes, her brother and fiancé were by her side. Brother came, Dinesh, and her fiancé, who is a fiancé, it's given there, correct? You have came across that word. Fiancé were by her side, standing by the side of her bed. She could barely speak. Barely means hardly. B-A-R-E-L-Y. Barely means hardly. Hardly means almost never. She could not speak. She could not speak. She could barely speak. Just what did she do? Just nodded. Nod means to move one's head backward and forward as a sign of agreement. Remember that word, agreement. So she just nodded her head like this and fell asleep again. Next, 18th para. Now read the 15th, 16th and 17th para silently. Finish. Come to the 18th para. When Baleshwar came to meet her the next morning, anyhow, after admitting her to the hospital, he left the place. When her brother arrived, next day he came to meet her the next morning. Roma was still, now also adverb, still partly sedated. Sedated meaning is given there, partly sedated, half awake due to drugs. So she was given drug, she was given medicine. The side effect of medicine made her not lively. Sedated means not lively. She was not happy. She was not fully conscious. She was not lively. So you might have heard the word sedative. What is sedative? Cure the illness. Is used to cure the illness. Medicine, sedative. A sedate, still partly sedated. On his way, Baleshwar had even revisited the spot. So on his way to the hospital, what did he do? Had even revisited the spot where Roma had fallen, looking for her belongings. So why had Baleshwar Mishra revisited the spot where Roma had fallen? One of the important questions for 2 mark. Why? Because looking for, searching for her belongings. Why? Because Dinesh had told him that her cell phone and handbag were missing. So Dinesh, her brother, informed Baleshwar that her handbag and mobile cell phone were missing. So Baleshwar, as a responsible person, went to revisit the place where she had fallen in search of what? Her belongings. Correct. Not far from the spot. Spot means place where she was fallen. A railway employee means worker, employer means one who gives the work. Employee assured, promised, told him that some of Roma's belongings had been found. So he had returned it. Next, he visited the hospital. How are you feeling? Baleshwar asked Roma. How are you feeling? Who said? Baleshwar. Baleshwar asked Roma, how are you feeling? Direct speech. It is in direct speech. How to change into indirect speech? So the sentence within the comma is a question. What kind of question? It is a double H question. So same double H word is used as a conjunction. So begin the answer. Baleshwar. So question. So asked, correct. Asked or enquired. You can use enquired also. Asked whom? Roma. Now add these 2 parts. How, make it assertive. How are you feeling becomes how you are feeling. Correct. So how you means Roma, so she pronoun, how she, you takes are, she takes is, here past tense, this one is a past tense, so you have to change it into past, how she was feeling. How she was feeling. Correct? How are you feeling? Baleshwar asked Roma. I am okay. She replied that she was okay in that speech. Okay, okayed, past tense and past participle. Roma whispered. What is whisper? To speak in a low voice, one word substitute. In a few days after, Roma made a full recovery. Now she is healthy. Then she remembers, recalls the incident. I can't imagine. She is not a position to imagine. I can't imagine what would have happened if Baleshwar hadn't been there. Been. Am present, was past, been past participle. Am, is, are present. Past tense, was, were past tense. Correct? Then, been past participle. Present tense, past tense, past participle. I am, I was, been, past participle. Then, I can't imagine what would have happened if Baleshwar hadn't been there, she says, amazed, astonished, perplexed. To learn means to know of the manner in which she had been rescued by Baleshwar Mishra. Anyhow, Baleshwar Mishra rescued her. The way he rescued her was astonishing, was confusing, was amazing. I think it is astonishing that a stranger would jump off a train and risk his life for me, she said. Who said this? Roma said this. Who is the stranger mentioned here? Baleshwar Mishra is the man. So who jumped off the moving train? Baleshwar Mishra jumped off the moving train. Correct? Why did he jump off the moving train? To save Roma. Correct? Risking. What is risk? Put one's life in danger. Though there is a smell of danger, he didn't care and jumped off the moving train just to save the girl. Risk his life for me. Me means Roma. I can never repay Baleshwar, she said. How to change it to tag? I can never repay Baleshwar. What is the tag used here? Tag, question tag. I can never repay Baleshwar. Can I is the answer. Never means not. Can I? I can never repay. Repay means what? Pay back. ರೀಪೇ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಮರಳಿ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅವನು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ, ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮರಳಿಸಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅವಳಿಗೆ. ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ರೀಪೇ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್. ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಟು ಮುಂಬೈ. ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಿ, ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಟು ಮುಂಬೈ. ಹೂ ಸೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್? ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಸೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ರೈಡ್. ಮುಂಬೈಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ನಾನೊಬ್ಬ ಹೊಸಬ್ಬ, ಅಪರಿಚಿತ. ಆದರೆ ಒಂದಂತೂ ನಾನು ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ದಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ರೈಡ್. ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಇದೆ ಜನರಿಗೆ. ಸೇಸ್ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್. ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಜಾಬ್. ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನೋ ಜಾಬ್. He has no employment. He has no work. He is looking for a job. He is searching for a job. They fear. So why were they afraid? Remember, it's a 2 mark question. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, they fear, ಹೆದರಿತಾರೆ, getting trapped in the courts or with the police. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲಿಯಾದರೂ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೊಲೀಸರ ಬಲೆಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್, ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೌಸ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೌಸ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್? ಮೌಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಲಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಮೈಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಲಿಗಳು ಅಂತಾಯಿತು. ಮೌಸ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮೈಸ್. ಇಲಿಬೋನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳು ಅಂತ. ಯಾರ ಬಲೆಗೆ? ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಪೊಲೀಸರ ಬಲೆಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಬೇಡ, ನಾವು ಸಹಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಯಾವಕ್ಕೂ ಸಹಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಡೂ ಇಟ್? ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ? ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ ಯಾಕೆ ಜಮ್ಮೆ? ವೆನ್ ಅದರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವ್ಯಾರ್ ಅಫ್ರೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್, ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್? ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್? ಸೊ ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಡೂ ಇಟ್? Why should he do it? Why did he jump off the moving train? Why did he go to help Roma Talriza? What is the need? He is a stranger. He did not know who that lady was. She needed help. She was in need of help. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕೋ ಅಂಥವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡುವುದಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಯೋಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವುದು. ಸೊ ಶಿ ನೀಡೆಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋದ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳುವಾಗ ಅವನು ಸಿಂಪಲಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಸರಳವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಹೋದೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡೇ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ರೋಮಾ. ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಆ ದಿನ ಬಿದ್ದಂಥ ದಿನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 10. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟ್? ಸಿ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಆ ದಿನ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹೋಮ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ರೋಮ್. ಆ ದಿನ ಅದು ರೋಮಾಳ ದಿನ. ಟುಮಾರೋ, ನಾಳೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಗಾಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ಯು, ನೀನು ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಆರ್ ಮೀ, ನಾನು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ರೋಮಾಳ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೈ ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ಬೈ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಹೇಗೆ? ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್. ಹೌ? ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಲೋನ್. ಸೊ ಅನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಒನ್. ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಿ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. We cannot expect we cannot dream what would happen in the future. So that day it was Roma, and tomorrow it could be you. ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಉಂಟು, ನೀನು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನಾನು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಬೈ ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ಬೈ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಹೇಗೆ? ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್, ರಕ್ತ ಹರಿತಾ, ಎಲೋನ್, ಒಬ್ಬಂಟಿಗಾಗಿ. ದೆನ್ ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ? ನೊಬಡಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ವಾಟ್? good things, helping nature, help others so that others could come to our rescue. If we are in need of the help, God will send them. Here Baleshwar had been sent by someone. Correct? I think you understood the lesson, full lesson. So go through the text from 18 to 20 paragraph, read it silently and underline the extracts and see the different words and the one word substitutes. Okay, now turn page number 38, page number 38. See, choose the correct verb out of 2 given in brackets. I think you got the page. Correct? Now see the answer. Neither he nor you dash. Wrong. Within bracket you have 2 options. One is and are. Neither he nor you. So neither nor. What is the answer there? It should be are. Neither he nor you are wrong. Why? Because the nearest subject, 2 subjects are there. Which one? He and you. Nearest to the verb, which one? You. You takes are, not he. You takes are. Correct? That is why are is the correct. His father and uncle dash their own business. Father different, uncle different, 2 personalities. So to have, they have, not has. Correct? Then the first innings, you know the answer. The first innings was very interesting. 4th one, either Amruta or her friends. So nearest subject is her friends. Her friends means plural. They. So they take what? Have. Her friends have taken it, not has. Every one of the boys was sitting silent in the hall. Every one of the boys, there are many boys. Every one of the boys was. Every leaf has fallen from this tree. Has. Each of the boys has done his homework. Has, H-A-S. He, comma is there, as well as you, comma is there. So first subject, he is intelligent. Next, bread and butter, a single component. Bread and butter was his daily diet. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು. Either you or he. Either you or he. Now see the answer. What is answer there? ಎರಡನೇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಒಂದನೇದು neither he nor you. ಅದೇ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಬರೀರಿ. Then one of the boys was punished. One of the boys was punished. Then neither the children nor their mothers were admitted to hospital. So it is very important. Agreement with the verb, subject verb agreement, it's very important for the examination point of view also. Correct? So we shall wind up here. Okay? Sai Ram.